Still struggling with slow, uneven thumb cuts on your rigid boxes? Meet the ultimate solution from Kylin Machines. Our box thumb cutting machine. Designed for maximum efficiency, it delivers lightning-fast production speeds, drastically cutting down your labor costs. Experience unmatched precision, clean, smooth, and perfect half-circle cuts every single time. No frayed edges, no wasted materials. It's incredibly user-friendly and easy to adjust for different box sizes. Perfect for your premium packaging line. Upgrade your factory today. Click the link in the description. Or WhatsApp us now to get your quote. Subscribe for more.